If you want to upgrade your videos, I will share 4 rules before you upgrade your camera. In this video, to actually prove our point, we're only using a phone or an action cam. And I'll show you how to make your videos feel better without expensive gear. We've been filming videos since high school, and honestly, we've made a lot of mistakes along the way. For example, I used to think better cameras means better video. So I upgraded to this camera. But something still felt missing. That's when I realized something else matters more. Rule number 1. Most people focus on visuals, but audio what makes people stay. Even something simple like this, the Saramonic Air SE. What I learned with this, the best gear is the one you don't think about. It's so small and light, you barely notice it. So instead of adjusting or thinking about the setup, all you have to do is enjoy whatever you're doing. And because it's wireless, you're not stuck with cables or fixed position, which means you can actually move naturally, ride, walk, or just film. Even in windy or noisy places, your voice still stays clear.
Ito yung mga common na question na nakikita ko sa comment section. Kaya sasagutin ko na.
Rule number 2, you don't need more gear. You need to use your gear better. Even a phone or just an action cam is enough. And always make sure that your audio and intention are right. Once your audio is clean, every simple shots starts feeling a bit more intentional. Rule number 3, cinematic isn't about setup. It's about capturing something that's authentic or natural. Before, wind would just ruin the shot. Now, you can actually hear the exhaust or the ASMR. That's what makes it feel more special. You can use this for anything, vlogs, sit-ins, or just everyday moments. Last and definitely not the least, rule number 4, people don't remember sharp footage or higher quality. They remember how it felt. And most of the feeling comes from what they see and what they hear. So before upgrading your camera, fix your audio, use what you already have, and capture real moments. Sometimes the biggest upgrade isn't to upgrade to more gear. It's removing what's getting in the way of your story. So you don't need the best gear to start, you just need to capture your moments better.